quite a year for sunflowers this year. There's that 12-foot one that's in full bloom. That fence right there is 6 feet high, and it's pretty close to 6 feet, maybe 5.5 feet above it. And so they're looking pretty good. This is the nicest group of sunflowers I think I've grown yet. This is another beauty right here. Let's see if I can kind of zoom in on that one a little bit. Oh yeah. Beautiful group of sunflowers. That one there's finishing up, getting ready to feed the birds. And this one here's got a heavy head. It's drooping a little bit. So yeah, great year for sunflowers. There's some on the other side of the yard too, but they didn't get as big as these did. There's a loofah that's 20 inches long. The sweet potatoes that I planted in a previous video are coming along nicely. They're trying to escape the bed, but I keep pushing them back in because that's where the moisture's going to be for the stems. Those stems will root in if they stay in the same place long enough. And let's see, over here we have some butternut squash. There's a pretty good sized one right there, along with our cucumber plant that is still producing cucumbers, believe it or not. And we have some cantaloupes in here. And there's two that I know of in here that kind of camouflage themselves among the leaves, so they're hard to see sometimes. So this one's got two, and butternut squash here. There's a few on this one. This one's the real showstopper here. This one has, I haven't counted them, but a lot of squash on it. Some smaller ones, and some bigger ones over here. Actually, some of them are starting to turn yellow, so we'll see how they do. Hopefully we'll get some of these. And tomatoes are still chugging along. That's the better boy there. That's kind of thought was finishing up, but it's got quite a few tomatoes on it, so it's not really setting any new fruit. I trimmed the new branches off it because our temperatures are up around 100 degrees every day, so they don't really set fruit, and even if they do, they don't make very nice tomatoes. This is the Cherokee Purple here, and it's got a lot of tomatoes still on it, and it's already produced quite a few too. It's got 12 to 15 tomatoes on it, and the Juliet is kind of finishing up. It's got some new growth on it, as you can see right there, so we'll see. It's setting fruit, so we'll see if it makes anything worth picking. And over here's our Paul Robeson, first year growing those, and they're still doing pretty good. Not really setting any new fruit, but we've gotten some nice tomatoes off them, even though the weather's high, so the temperatures are high. And so there's a few other things going on in the garden. Some loofahs down the row here. The emphasis on watering now. Having to do a lot of that every day. Hope you enjoyed the update. We're getting racing for the next 3 months of super hot weather, and finishing up our remodel, and finally finished the second bathroom and today or yesterday, and so we're going to be working on 2 bedrooms and a kitchen, and I'll keep you updated on all that stuff. So, have a great Saturday. Get out there and do something. If you like these videos, give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel.